Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Well, it's a crappy day today. It's raining out. Wasn't good yesterday either. Batteries are what, at 34%. The solar is not making much. What, 143 watts? And that one, 120 watts on that one. And let's see, this is making what, 3.4 amps. And we're using 396 watts. And I've got this set up running my HTRC smart charger for my 48 volts and charging 9.7 amps, and so far we've got almost 18 ampere hours in. So the batteries are actually charging with what, 9.1 amps. So I needed 4 more batteries for my 48 volt system, and my other ones are all the Redodo. So I've been watching for a sale. A couple weeks ago they had, I think it was 20% off, and they had a decent price to start with. They come out to be $192. So I ordered 4 of them, but when I went to check out, they were only giving me 25 bucks off a piece. So must be they got a limit. So I went back and canceled that order and just ordered 2. And with 2, I got $96 off, which made them the $192. So I need 4. So I waited a little bit, and I ordered 2 more. And they gave me the $96 off for the pair. So you gotta watch yourself when you're ordering stuff. But anyways, I charged these up, used my bench supply, nice slow charge first time, about 5 amps. So I filled them all up. They've probably been sitting for 4 or 5 days. Like I say, today was a crappy day, so I thought I'm going to do a capacity check on each one of them. That way I won't waste this energy. It'll go in to the house system. And this is the results so far. Been an hour and 55 minutes. We're at 89.4 ampere hours. Voltage is 12 volts. 1.12 kilowatt hours. So we'll keep an eye on it, see how it does. Well, we're at 2 hours and 1 minute. We got 94.6 ampere hours. The voltage is down to 10.8. It's not looking good. I'm kind of disappointed, I think. Yep, the inverter's complaining. Well, I got 3 more to test. We'll see how they do. I'm compared to my other ones, this is kind of disappointing. Let's see how long she goes. Volts. I didn't make her 1280 kilowatt hours. Just shut down. Well, I'm going to go get another one, do the same thing, see how that one acts. Okay, got battery number 2 hooked up, got everything reset to 0. So I'm going to fire her up. Okay, turn the charger on. See the amperage going up as the charger ramps up. I know it's not a 0.2C discharge, but I don't think it should be off that much. I'm seeing other guys do their discharge tests on stuff using similar amperages, and they usually come out full capacity or better. And I'm a little shy, so we're going to see how this one does. Get near the end, I'll clue you guys in. Well, we're at 2 hours and 1 minute again. It's beeping already. 95.7, same as the other one. Makes me wonder if something is off with this. Maybe I should try a different battery monitor. So there we go. Alright, battery number 2 come out just about the same. Okay, got battery number 3 hooked up. I got a different meter. This is a brand new one. It's going to be for my new battery box. I set it for 100 ampere hours. So, we'll see what happens this time. Okay, the charger just started. Looks like we're pretty stable there now. 99.6, 12.86. Okay, this new meter doesn't want to cooperate as far as staying put. See if I can get it someplace. We'll see if it'll stay there. Alright, I'll fill you in as we go. Okay, we're about 2 hours into it. We're down to, says 3.4%, 3.3% left. Still using 54 amps. We got 3.2 ampere hours left. Voltage is 11 yet. Okay, it's looking a little better now. Thinking that other unit I was using wasn't accurate. So keep watching it. As she gets closer, I'll turn you back on. Okay, we're down to 0.4%, 0.3%. like we're going to make our 100 alright. See what our voltage is. Still at 10.99. I'm not sure what this will do when it gets, I set it for 100, so when it gets to 100 it'll be on 0. So I don't know if it goes into, we're going to know here shortly. Okay, so it just goes to 0. So we made our 100 ampere hours and it's still going. Okay, there we go. I feel better now. We made our 100 ampere hours like we're supposed to. So we got one more to go. Okay, got number 4. Starting out, we're 13.52. We're at 100%, and I set it for 102, I think. Yeah, 102 ampere hours. So, let's get her started. Charger's on. I'm going to run this one at a little lower rate. Instead of 50 amps, we're going to run her about 25 amps. As you can see there. Alright. I'll check in every once in a while. Keep you guys informed. I'm pretty sure that other tester is not accurate. I trust these. I've got a bunch of them that seem to work excellent. I've got 2 on the same battery and they always read the same. So they're pretty accurate. Yeah, it's been over 2 hours, so I better come out and take a look. See, we're down to 42%. That's out of 102 ampere hours. Still 25 amps. We got 42.79 ampere hours left out of 102 that I set it for. And we're at 12.82. Alright, we'll come back in an hour or so. Okay, we got less than an ampere hour to go to make our 100 because I set it for 102. We're down to 2 3/4. Let's see how our voltage is. Still 11.24. Still drawing 29 amps. 2.6%. So, I'm not going to have any problem making 100 ampere hours, by the looks of it, so see how far we go. Okay, we made our 100 ampere hours. Now we're going on the other side of it. Yep, voltage is dropping off. Yeah, let's do this like we did with the other one, see how we do with the wait till the inverter starts complaining. Yeah, didn't take long, did it? Well, we made her over the 100 ampere hours, so that's the important part. I was discouraged there at first. All of my Redodo batteries have been really good. I've got, oops, wrong way. I've got 8 of them in this cabinet. They work flawlessly, so I'm not going to use that other one for testing stuff anymore. I'm going to come up with something else because I'm pretty sure that's not right. These I believe. So if you enjoyed me checking out some batteries, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, as usual, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.